Hey everyone, this is Dan over at Performance Motorworks. Well, it's that time of year, it's February, romance is in the air. So I was thinking, well, what am I gonna do for my wife this year for Valentine's Day? That always comes up, I always mess it up. I think I've got a great idea this year. I've got a set of wiper blades I'm gonna put on her BMW, and I know that's gonna be a big hit this year. All joking aside, this February, if you bring your car in for any service, whether that be an oil change, a brake job, any kind of maintenance service, I want to offer you a free set of wiper blades with that service. These are good quality Bosch wiper blades, not cheap ones that you would find at your local auto parts store. So it's actually a really good opportunity. So please give us a call, 916-624-9656, or visit us online at pmwonline.com. We'll see you soon.